Welcome to the YouTube channel of Mr. HB. Today we're going to design a special fidget spinner in Inventor. Watch, get inspired, and learn through practice. As usual, we'll start by creating a new project where all the components will be stored. Click on the three dots, then go to Settings. New Single Project. Next, enter your project name. Click on the three dots next to Project folder and create a new folder in any location you prefer. I'll do this on my desktop and give the folder the same name. Click Done. Your project is now created and activated in Inventor. Let's begin designing the first component. Click on New. Expand the Use folder, select Metric, and double-click on Standard IPT. Click on Start 2D Sketch and select your XY plane. Let's begin drawing the fidget spinner. Select the Circle tool and click on Construction. Draw two helper circles of 70 mm and 40 mm. Select the circle again and deactivate construction mode. Draw a circle of 14 mm. Click on the Arc tool and sketch the fidget spinner. Select the first position, then the second position, and create a bulge by clicking on a third position. When using the Arc function, define 3 positions to achieve the desired curvature. After sketching the rough shape with arcs, we'll add dimensions and constraints. If your sketch looks different without dimensions, don't worry. Using dimensions and constraints, you'll achieve the same shape as mine. Now let's start drawing one section of the fidget spinner, which we'll later copy using circular patterning. Teach yourself to work as efficiently as possible. Press the ESC key, then select Tangent. Click on each line one by one to make them flow more smoothly. Press the ESC key again. Use the shortcut key D to add dimensions to your sketch. Click on Equal, select your half circle with a dimension of 2. Select the other half circle. Click on Tangent, click on the half circle, click on your construction line, 70 mm. These two lines are now connected. Make sure to take over the measurement exactly. Now, let's put the dimensions to determine the width of the fidget spinner. Fill the dimension 20 here. Fill the dimension 24 here. And enter 4 here. Drag the point with dimension 4 slightly below the 40 mm helper circle to adjust the shape of the fidget spinner. Zoom in to position the point with dimension 4 as close as possible to the 40 mm helper circle. Move this point slightly upward. Click on the Coincident constraint. Select the point, then select the 40 mm helper circle. The circle is now fixed. Press the ESC key. Using the light bulb icon, we can check how the sketch still moves. Here, it should be written, fully constrained. Select all the lines you've drawn using the Arc function. Click on Circular Pattern. Click on this icon to choose your axis. Pick the 70 mm helper circle. We want 6 copies of the sketched shape and click OK. Apply the last 2 constraints and our sketch will be fully constrained. Click Finish Sketch. Click Extrude. Select your profile, make your workpiece 5 mm thick. Click Symmetric and press OK. Now you've converted your sketch into a 3D model. We will give the fidget spinner some fillers using filler. Give the hole a rounding of 0.5 mm, then press Enter. Click again on Filler. Select Features. Now select your workpiece and give it a rounding of 2 mm. Click OK. Select your workpiece and choose a color of your preference. I'm giving my fidget spinner an orange color. Save the file under the name Fidget Spinner. Click on Save and close the file. Now, we are going to design the nut for the fidget spinner. Click on New and double-click on Standard IPT. Click on Start 2D Sketch and select your XY plane. Let's begin drawing the nut for the fidget spinner. Open the origin plane, select YZ plane, and click on Project Geometry. Press the ESC key. Select the yellow line and click on Center Line. Click on Line and draw from your center point. Draw a rough sketch. The correct dimensions will be added after drawing the sketch to arrive at the correct product and size. Take the sketch and measurements exactly. Click on Finish Sketch. Press the R key for Revolve. Your profile will be automatically selected. Press OK. Rotate your workpiece using Orbit so that we can create a threaded hole at the bottom. Press the H key for Hole. First, click on any location where the hole should be. Now, select the outer edge so that the hole is centered. Take these parameters. The hole and thread depth should be 3.5 mm. Click OK. Now add 0.5 mm fillets at the top. Select your part and choose a color of your preference. I'm giving my nut for fidget spinner a dark green color. Save the file under the name Nut for Fidget Spinner. Close the file. Now, we are going to design the bolt for the fidget spinner. Double-click on Standard IPT. From this point on, no further explanation will be given. Follow the steps shown in this video. If you don't understand something, you can ask your questions via the comments. There will be a separate video in which I will provide detailed explanations on how to create an assembly and why you should use specific constraints. For now, I ask you to follow the steps exactly as demonstrated in this video. Good luck with completing your fidget spinner, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with others so they can benefit from it as well. If you wish, you can also 3D print this fidget spinner. Enjoy and have fun. Please don't forget to like, hit the bell, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with others.